My name is Scott Fowler. My position is mobile van tech. The on-site service is what I find people really like, not having to send their tools out. I'll pull up to their building, job site, location, whatever it happens to be, walk in, introduce myself, tell them what I can do, what I'm capable of, what we have done. What's it gonna hurt for me to do a free tool inspection? You know, it's not gonna cost you anything. By talking to the customer, finding out what they do, and asking them what type of equipment they have, sometimes they don't even realize that they're using a tool that hasn't been calibrated since they bought it. I'll actually show them the inside of the van and how it gets calibrated. Depending on the tool, if it's a hydraulic tool, can be half an hour to 40 minutes. A battery-operated gun with the software updates and everything else that has to go along with it, that can be an hour, hour and a half. You know, once I explain to them that, you know, it's in the van and I'll know what's going on with it, you know, within 20 minutes. If they want me to repair this tool, I can repair it, or I can give them my territory manager salesperson's name and hook you up with, you know, new equipment that will save you time and money in the long run. I would say 80% of this stuff is Stealth and MXT or Avani tools. Pumps, whatever has to be done. If they're not operating correctly, you diagnose what the problem is, replace the parts, repair the parts, and get it so it operates for them in the field. I'd say 90% of the tools that I run into in the field, I'll have repair kits and seal kits in the van with me. What they are happy to see is that HYTORC can and will repair competitive tools in the van just like we do ours. Basically, you know, you're gonna be traveling to customer locations, doing work at their location. That's the whole idea, is so the customers don't have to send their equipment out to be calibrated, serviced, or repaired, and it can be back in the field for them as soon as possible.